Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Aternos account access and two-factor authentication. This prevents lockouts during recovery. Once logged in, go straight to the deleted or trash section and look for the exact server name, copy the world name and IP if visible. Make sure to immediately download any available backups and take screenshots of the deleted entry for records. These steps protect data and create a rollback point so you can safely attempt restoration without risking remaining files. Once you have backups, select the most recent complete backup and initiate the restore. Aternos restores. Zip or tar archives reliably. As it runs, recreate server configuration, set the exact Minecraft version, allocate RAM, and re-add mods or plugins matching their prior versions to avoid incompatibility. After the restore completes, upload your world folder into the server files and check folder structure and permissions. These steps ensure the world loads correctly and reduce errors from mismatched server components. To finish, boot the server in maintenance mode and closely monitor the console output for missing file errors or mod conflicts. This gives you time to fix issues without disturbing players. Then test joining using a regular account to verify world integrity, inventories, and permissions. If something goes wrong, revert to a prior backup or gather console logs and screenshots and contact Aternos support. That single troubleshooting tip, keep backups and immediate logs, will save you hours when restoring complex setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.